Ready, study, go! Let's learn the alphabets. N. N is for nurse. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for needle. O. O is for ostrich. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for olives. P. P is for penguin. P is for pineapple. P is for pear. P is for pencil. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quill. Q is for question. N. N is for nurse. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for needle. O. O is for ostrich. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for olives. P. P is for penguin. P is for pineapple. P is for pear. P is for pencil. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quilt. Q is for question.